I am Sasi from LNT College, Political Science Department, an assistant professor. Mm, Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the President and election of Indian President. First, let us introduce President is the supreme head of supreme head or supreme constitutional authority of our country. As we all know, we have parliamentary form of government in which there are two types of executive head. One is de jure or nominal head, and the second one is de facto or the real head. Our president is nominal or de jure head of the country. So, so next is our country is republic. In a republic country, president is elected directly or president is elected directly or indirectly by the representative of the people. Next is our president's election is described in Article 54 and 55. Means if we want to know how President of India is elected, we have to go through Article 54 and 55. For when Election Commission declares its date, then election process of our president begins. It begins first of all election for president's election. An electoral college is consisted or formed. In electoral college, now we will come to know who are members of this electoral college. All the elected members of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha plus Vidhan Sabha of all the states of our country, plus 2 Vidhan Sabha, one Delhi and second one is Puducherry, members of Puducherry Vidhan Sabha, means elected members of the, all the members will be elected and will make or consist this electoral college. Now let me say all the nominated members of Rajya Sabha or 2 Anglo-Indian members of Lok Sabha plus all the Vidhan Sabha members, Vidhan Parishad members, if any state has Vidhan Parishad, then and nominated members of union state territories are not members of this electoral college. They can't be included in this election. Now next is value of one vote of an MLA. I have told you in electoral college MLAs and MPs are members. So value of one vote of an MLA of all the states are not equal. Means it is decided according to that state's population. So value of one vote or value of one vote of an MLA of a state will be, how we will count it, all total population of that state will be divided by all the members, all MLA members, and it will be divided again, it will be divided by 1 by 1000. Suppose there are the total population of a state is 100 and total MLA of that state is 5, then the ratio will be 100 divided by 5 into 1 by 1000. Total population divided by total MLAs into 1 by 1000. So one value of one vote of an MLA of any particular state will be taken out by this formula. Now, in this way, all the states, that 28 states plus I have already told about union territories of Delhi and Puducherry, will be counted this way. And the next is value of one vote of an MLA. So, total vote of value of one vote of an MP will be how? Will be found out by total votes of all the MLAs of the states plus 2 union territories also will be divided by total number of MPs. This way, value of one vote of an MP will be out. Then total vote we have counted. We have find out after that one vote of MLA or MP. Then minimum quota comes. Minimum quota is total vote, all the votes will be divided by the number of contestants. How many contestants are in the field of election? How many contestants are fighting in election? So total vote will be divided by number of contestants plus 1. If the remainder is more than 500, 1 will be added, and if it is less, then it will be left out. After that, let me talk about the method of election of president. For this, we have to know 3 things: proportional representative methods, single transferable vote, and secret ballot. This one, proportional representative methods means, and proportional representative methods, proportion we have talked about. Representative method means that representatives of those MLAs and MP will take part here. And single transferable vote means if the counting begins and in first single transfer, if the counting begins and in first round result is not clear, means any candidate doesn't get this minimum quota, then what will happen? Then second round counting will begin, and it will go on till the any candidate gets the minimum quota. Minimum quota is important. Any candidate can win at first round or second round or third round, but minimum quota will be the final result. Single transferable means vote is not just like MLA or MP. MLA or MP's vote, or here candidates are not given any electoral symbols. So they do what? Just we get secret ballot means, I am talking about secret ballot. Secret ballot means a ballot paper is given. In the left side of the paper, all the names, all the contestants' name will be written down, and the second, no symbol for president's contestant, and one has to write our priorities, first preference. Suppose priority means according to whom you are going to vote for the first president, for the president. If he doesn't get the required vote and second round counting begins, then you have to write who will be your second priority, your third priority. If there are 5 candidates, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and counting will begin according to that position. And after that, secret ballot, if the result is clear, if anyone gets clear cut majority, it is okay. If anyone doesn't, then the second or third round counting begins. Let me explain about Draupadi Murmu's case. In third round, she has got the she won. She was far ahead other contestants, but she hasn't got this minimum quota, 51% of vote, and our vote is not just the way MLAs or MPs are elected. So, like MLA and MP, so we have to what we have to find this for the list system minimum quota 51, that is 51%. So Draupadi Murmu got won in third round, but result was cleared in eighth round. Thank you.